This is my dog. I really like him. He's very relaxing for me. Well, I've got this plan. I'm gonna use it to save the world. I'm gonna build my electric mobility device. I have all the different parts to make it. And then as soon as I get it, I'm gonna go to with Arizona, and then I can try my trick at winning at roulette. Just 'cause it's supposedly impossible to win, and my way only way works when you can have the the table roll by itself without you putting money down. But after that, I have so what I can do is I can go to Vegas and wait for my number not to come about for a long, long time, and then I start to bet. Okay, well, I talk